Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're at Rhiwargor Waterfall in Oswestry, Wales. Here are a few tips on how to take waterfall photography. Tip number 1 is exposing to the left hand side of the histogram. In this first shot you can see that the exposure peaks on the right hand side of the histogram. This means the highlights have peaked and will not be able to be recovered in editing. By reducing the exposure by 3 stops, the histogram does not peak at either the shadows or the highlights. This means the most amount of data is stored for editing. Tip number 2 is to use ND filters. Once you have found the aperture and the shutter speed you want for the smoothest amount of water, use ND filters to prevent overexposure. I used the newer stackable ND filters. For this next shot, I stacked an ND8 and an ND4 filter to bring the exposure down by 5 stops. This reduces the exposure enough to prevent the highlights from being overexposed.